In terms of plenary talks, there are several I think that will be really interesting. We have 4 speakers in all. I think they range all the way from fundamental science to real applied applications. One speaker in particular is Jim Fujimoto from MIT. He's going to talk about medical imaging using optical coherence tomography. Jim is really a pioneer of OCT and then also a pioneer of applying that to medical applications. And I think that's a real applied topic, but there'll be a lot of fundamental science and new science and applied science in that talk. So I think he's going to be a great speaker who really can appeal to people both on the physics side as well as on the application side of the problem.
This year, CLEO Science and Innovation has 2 plenary talks, so excellent plenary talks. One is by Dr. Donald Keck, who was Vice President of Corning. He will give a talk on the first low-loss optical fibers. And so low-loss optical fiber is a key device in fiber telecommunications. And so in the early stage of the development of fiber, decreasing the loss was the key issue. And then his group demonstrated the first low-loss optical fibers. The loss was significantly lower than the previous works, so more than 1 order of magnitude lower than the previous works. And then the work opened up the real-world fiber communication. So it's a very good and excellent occasion to hear the early stage of development and the history of the development of the fibers, and also the future prospect of fiber technology by Dr. Keck. And the second plenary talk will be given by Professor Susumu Noda from Kyoto University, Japan. And he will give a talk on photonic crystals, progresses of photonic crystals. And in recent years, there are tremendous improvement in this area, and Professor Noda has been leading this exciting field. And using photonic crystals, so amazing devices can be developed because that the photonic crystal can provide a versatile tool for manipulating photons by controlling and designing the nanoscale structure. So by using photonic crystal technology, so amazing devices such as nanoscale, ultra high Q optical cavity, such as that Q of more than a million, can be developed, and also that nanoscale laser, and also broad area laser with versatile beam steering. Such amazing devices is attractive to a wide field of applications, such as telecommunications, information technology, and material processing, and also the biomedical applications. So I'm really looking forward to listen to such exciting progress by Professor Noda's plenary talk.